Stay over here where I can see you. Show me your ballerina dance. Go. Go. I'm going to turn it off.
Turn it off.
You're not going to dance for me?
No.
Will you dance for Brandon?
Mhm.
You will? Okay, dance for Brandon. Show me. Okay, show me how you dance for Brandon. I'm going to turn it off.
Okay.
Is that all you got? You're getting dizzy. Tell Brandon, say hi. No?
I'm shy to him.
You what?
I'm shy to him.
You're shy to him?
Yeah.
Very pretty how you dance. Chico, be nice.